And so going forward, especially if there's a slowdown in construction over the next couple of years, there's going to be a real shortage of rentals. Hey, Cam, the
Hey,
weather is
Jeremy.
great. It's November and the numbers are out and the market is looking good. Things have really picked up in the market. What are you seeing?
Yeah, it was a great month. Way more sales October 2024 versus 2023, 44% up. I was actually surprised on the upside.
One thing I noticed is that not only are freehold sales now up, condo sales are up almost the same, about 33, 35%, depending on the condo market you're looking at. But it's a really good indication that buyers in all sectors are starting to get into the market. You were looking at the condo numbers and you saw the same, right?
Yeah. You know the neat thing about condos. So first off, condos been generally slower, particularly in the city, right? So downtown Toronto, great location, of course, always with transit everywhere, but it has been slower. So there's more supply there than the freehold market, generally speaking. You know what's neat though, with rates down, prices fairly flat. I think it's time for the investor to start to come back into that market. Lots of choice, a little more time, options, little more down, and you've got some cash positive investments. So I look forward to that. And as you say, confidence is returning and it's very difficult to time the market. And so I would just encourage people not to be on the sidelines.
Yeah, I think the good underlying thing also is a lot of investors got out of the market over the last couple of years. They decided the rates were too high, it wasn't covering, so they got out of the market. So there's a lot of owner occupied condo now. And so going forward, especially if there's a slowdown in construction over the next couple of years, there's going to be a real shortage of rentals, and that's going to increase rents. I think rents are going to go up, unfortunately. We'd all like to see rents more affordable for people, but if rents go up, it's going to be great for those investors that chose to buck the trend and buy now before the market started to really get hot and prices started to really go up. So I
Yeah.
think there's a lot of optimism in the freehold market. Inventory starting to come down a little bit, but there's still a good amount of inventory. So buyers have a great selection of property and not too many multiple offer situations. So you
Yeah,
can still buy with a reasonable situation,
for sure.
right?
You know, and key, Jeremy, as always, is for our audience here and their families to ensure they get the advice of a professional realtor, a Realtron Royal realtor, regardless of market, regardless of product type, the home they're looking for. They need the best advice from the best experts in the market.